Previously, I showed you how to install this Android Auto wireless working for Android phones. We got up and running to play music, make phone calls, showing the maps, etc. etc. There's one thing that it couldn't do though, playing video files. Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. This is something that I don't advise you to do, obviously for safety reason, but it seems like a lot of people are asking for it, so here we go. First, open up your phone, go to this website, scroll down somewhere a little bit down in the middle, and then click on this APK file. The latest as of now is 1.4.4. Click on download. Once it's downloaded, open the file, choose package installer, and then click on always. If it blocks, go ahead and go into settings, allow from this source to install unknown apps. Go ahead and click on install. Click on open. Click on OK. Click on AAAD. Allow from this source, letting this app install unknown sources. Now let's install the Fermata Auto app. Click on allow. Do you want to download additional Fermata apps? Go ahead and click on OK. Do you want to install this application? Yes. Click on install. Click on open. Click on allow. And now it's time to add your favorite folders that will have your video files or music file or whatever. I'm going to click on the plus icon and click on file system. Let's jump to the main directory, 0. Go down to download and click on the check mark to let you know that you want this folder to be the folder that will have the movie files. We're now done installing all of the apps necessary on your Android phone. The video files have to be MP4. I'm sure it can do MKV, I haven't tried it yet, but 100% sure it can play MP4 files. Alright, now let's jump to the car. You can see that for whatever reason, there's a bunch of Fermata apps. We only care about the first one, the blue one. Let's click on that. You won't be presented with Michael Jackson, of course. That's because I was watching a YouTube of Michael Jackson. This thing can play YouTube perfectly fine while driving as well. Let's get back to the main menu of the Fermata. Click on folders. We're in the download folder, and all you have to do is select your MP4 files. We're going to select this simple MP4 file. It's about the Android Auto wireless adapter that I created earlier. Again, this is something I do not advocate for you to watch while you're driving. But it is a perfect option if you have kids or passenger in the car for them to enjoy, not for you to enjoy. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to set up videos playing in your Hyundai Ioniq 5 or any car with Android Auto wireless adapter. It should work with Android Wire as well, of course. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.